To set up Revolut under 18, you will need to have a parent or guardian with you, as the account must be opened in their name and they will be responsible for it. First, you need to download the Revolut app from the App Store on your device. Once downloaded, open the app and click on Sign Up. You will then be asked to enter your email address and choose a password. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal details, including your name and date of birth. As you are under 18, your parent or guardian will need to provide their details as the account holder. You will then be asked to provide proof of address and identification for the account holder. After you have provided all the necessary information, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Revolut. Once your account is open, you can order a card and start using your account. It is essential to note that as a minor you will not be able to use all the features of the app and will be subject to certain restrictions. It is also important to discuss with your parent or guardian how you will use the account and set boundaries and rules for its use. This will help you to use the account responsibly and safely. Additionally, you should make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the account and any fees associated with it. Overall, setting up a Revolut account under 18 requires the involvement of a parent or guardian, and it is essential to use the account responsibly and follow the rules and boundaries set by your parent or guardian.